сегодняшнем видео
Today, we're going to show you that there is always voltage between rails.
между рельсами
There is really always voltage between rails.
Вот мы подсоединяем тестер.
So here we are connecting our multimeter to the rails,
И что мы видим?
and it shows us an average from 2.5 to 3 volts.
Ну, напряжение не
But it's
стабильное
unstable.
почему-то. Прыгает.
So
А вот почему
now we
оно
will show you
стабильное,
why it's
сейчас
unstable.
покажем. Оказывается,
As
там
it turned out,
нет
it's
пойдет.
not just alternating current, but it's like a Morse code.
Продемонстрировать это нам поможет.
So to demonstrate you how it works, we need to connect a speaker with a light bulb.
Да. Вы это видите?
Do you see it? Look at the bulb.
И слушайте динамик. И слышите, что динамик издает?
Do you hear the speaker produce sounds?
Чтобы вы лучше видели.
Let me show you. Do you see it's vibrating? It makes the stone jump up and down.
Ну, в общем, штука довольно
It's quite interesting and strange.
и странная.
In our next videos, we will show you
Как на практике
how you can put it into practice in behalf of yourself and in behalf of tourists.
туриста.
As we've mentioned earlier, there is always voltage between rails.
Э,
So we will try to rectify it.
То есть,
We will
например,
apply wires voltage to the capacitor.
и подходит
Through the diode.
конденсатор.
Our bulb is glowing, so certainly some voltage is being produced.
Дальше это напряжение.
Further, it's applied to the mobile's connector.
Вот он телефон.
So here is our cell phone. So show them what will happen.
Сейчас он
Don't worry, it's just going to explode.
Оба. Смотрим. Идет зарядка.
It's charging. The light bulb is glowing, as you can see.
Телефон заряжается.
In other words, we are charging it with the rail's electricity. Someone is even calling us.
Контакты под...
Our contact elements are connected quite simply.
Просто они, как вы видите,
We put stones to press them.
то есть не надо ни...
So there is nothing difficult.
Замеряем напряжение. Сколько
Let's measure voltage.
телефончик? Меряем сколько вольт.
So let us see how much is applied to it. 5.1 volts.
Вот. Чтоб не было...
In order to prevent voltage stepping, you can use another capacitor.
5 вольт 2200.
Instead of 25 volts, you can use a higher voltage capacitor.
Помощнее. Ну и все.
Maybe some of you top viewers can point to the reason why such strange impulses are passed along rails.
Передаются по рельсам. Я так предполагаю.
I guess it's for traffic lights.
Ну, если увидите, вот он.